Lucid Trading just launched a new account type, the Lucid Black. Now the question is it better than the Lucid Flex? In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts and the differences between these two account types. Now, as we come on over and look at the first thing that normally traders look at, and that is going to be the price. Notice the Lucid Black is going to be $108 for a 50K account. If we come over and look at the Lucid Flex account, that same 50K account is only $91. Now, both accounts do have this as a one-time payment, so there's going to be no reoccurring monthly fees. If you guys want to save 40% off the new Lucid Black account, then make sure to check out the link in the description box down below. Use promo code Mike. So if we come over and look at this quick cheat sheet real quick, and this was put out from Lucid, which plan is right for you? Well, if we look at the Lucid Flex and the Lucid Black account, both of them do not have a daily loss limit. Now, this square is going to be a little bit different. The Lucid Flex has a 50% consistency rule in the evaluation phase, and the Lucid Black has a 60% consistency rule in the evaluation phase. Now, the Lucid Black account is replacing the former Pro account, which in that account you could pass in 1 day. But now the quickest we're going to be able to get funded is going to be 2 trading days. Now, funded consistency rule in the Lucid Flex account, there's going to be 0 consistency rule. In the Lucid Black account, there's a 40% consistency rule. Also, look at the payout frequency. Now, as I'm looking at this so far, really the eval consistency is not going to sway traders really one way or the other. But the funded consistency, that could be a big sticking point, especially if you're a trader that likes to go for big home run trades, which for me, that is not my style. Also, look at payout frequency. In the Lucid Flex, we can only get paid out once every 5 days. In the Lucid Black account, you can get paid out as soon as 3 trading days. Also, this is something that's very unique, and I found it very interesting. Look at the bonus payout. The Lucid Flex account has none. However, the Lucid Black account has what's called a payout bonus. Now, you can elect to take it or not. It's totally up to the trader. Also, a buffer. Neither of these accounts have a buffer requirement. So now let's talk about that payout bonus real quick, because it is rather unique and I kind of like it. If we come over and look at a 50K example, payout number 1, the profit target is $3,000. And your payout for payout number 1, the max you could take out is $1,500. But then look right down here where we have payout 2 through 4. Your profit target, again, is $3,000. Your payout is $1,500, or you can unlock a bonus. And how you unlock this bonus, if you go ahead and you run the account up to $5,000 of a profit target, you now get a bonus payout of $3,000. And if we come right over here and we select the FAQ, and then we come right over here under Lucid Black, and we want to go ahead and look out payout objectives. Now, when we come down here, we can scroll down here just a little bit. We have the 40% consistency rule, which we already talked about. Our profit objective, well, if you have a 50K account, it's going to be $3,000. 25K account, $1,250, and 100K account will be $4,500. But then we come down here and we look at the other bonuses. Now, we talked about the 50K account. You had to make $5,000 to unlock that $3,000 bonus. But in the 100K account, you have to make $7,000. Then we scroll down here real quick. We look at the 100,000. Now the bonus for the 100,000 would be $2,000. And if your normal payout, you'd be able to take out $2,000. If you want to run it up to take out that extra bonus, you would have the ability to take out $4,000 on that payout, if I'm reading this right. But let's think about something real quick, because as we're looking over these rules real quick, notice one thing real quick. To be eligible for a bonus payout, you must reach the bonus profit goal during each payout cycle. This profit goal resets to 0 after your approved payout. And we want to think about this. If we can get a normal payout at $3,000, by making an additional $2,000, we only get an additional $1,500. So the thought right now is, would it be better to just go ahead, take your payout, which can happen in as little as 3 days, instead of risking more money, trying to make a little bit more? Because by making that extra $2,000, as a trader, we are actually losing out on $500. For my own personal opinion, I'd rather take out the payout as soon as possible. That way I can put the money right back into my bank account. But the Lucid Black account, we do have the ability to get paid out a little bit sooner than what we actually could with the Flex account. In my personal opinion, I believe both accounts are good. And if you guys have joined me during the live stream, you guys know I currently have 5 50K Flex accounts. Now, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Which account do you guys like best? Is it the Lucid Flex or the new Lucid Black account? And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button down below and give the video a big thumbs up.